Hey guys, welcome back to my little video series I've been doing about the electronics that I have. I'm going to slowly pan over and you'll notice that my shelf is a whole lot cleaner because I've been cleaning it out, and boy do I have a bunch of new stuff from an old stereo VCR. Not VCR, stereo, not a stereo VCR, stereo amplifier or mini component. There it is. You'll notice I have my fans, my big fan, and these work now. These actually can... There it goes. It's going. That's for the fan guy that's on YouTube, but I forgot his YouTube name, but I thought he'd enjoy this fan. So yeah, that's a Delta. I'll put the back in here. It's a Delta DC brushless, the big one. I think it's 120 millimeters. Not too sure, but... Right, back to the stereo thing. There's a huge transformer. I think it's actually bigger than the transformer I had from that other one. Is it? No, that other one's a bit bigger. But, like, width-wise, yeah, it's bigger. You'll know. It's a lot bigger. I've got I still got the old graphics processor thing. I got two other fans. I've got an ATA fan, and I've got another Delta, mini Delta. And then I've got the main display portion of the board, of the stereo. That VFD is bigger than my finger, even my long finger. It's bigger. It is huge. I mean, look at all the pins for it. Look at all that. If this thing would focus, this doesn't have a focus on it. But you can see it's pretty big. And then this is just another board that came with it that was attached to the power supply. And look, I have a heatsink that went to it. There's the heatsink. It's got a baffle type system, I guess. I don't know. Oh, I can make little motors run now. I have a battery holder for the 9-volt battery that I have. There it is, in my little Velleman kit holder. I have a Velleman kit that's right here, actually. This guy. I need to finish that one day. One day I will finish that. Got a bunch of random parts, some walkie-talkies, 2 more Evercools in pair of them. Scanner's still here, scanner still powers on. I've even got a little bell. Yeah, I've still got my old stereo too. Remember this thing back in my old videos? One of them. Now I can show you guys that little control I was looking at. Spectrum control. Can go from, oh nope, there it is. Spectrum control can go from low to high, high to low. And then there's the buttons for the thing. Now I'm gonna plug this in, and I'm gonna cycle through the different CD bays and. There we go. Okay, watch. We're gonna power this sucker on. It's tuning. Where's power? Power? There it is. It's tape. Alright, check disc. Check. I can't see, but there's a switching mechanism inside there. Didn't find any discs. Let's go back to to turn disc jack off. Let's eject. Oh, there was a disc in there. I think that was a queen disc. I'm gonna move that to disc 1. Now watch, I'll go from disc 6 oh no. Oh, to change discs you gotta you have to go from disc 1 to light extinguishes. It's gonna go up all the way to disc 1. And I'll put it in there. And we're not gonna play it, but yeah. You get the basic gist of things. I disassembled a hard drive and I gave it to the Platens to a friend of mine for use in a wind chime. Also got a remote board and a little laser assembly to that same stereo. So yeah, that's about everything. So yeah, that's gonna be it, guys.